John Van Lennon, New Zealand, Sotheby's International, the Manawatu, number 45 Chippendale Crescent. For those looking for a low maintenance, traditional brick home in a neighbourly location, I don't think you'll find better. There's just a park down the road, and I know for the little ones and pets, that will be just a godsend for most people. But all in all, a beautiful home here, feels good. It's got nice modern carpets and colours, big lounge, 3 double bedrooms en suite, and of course all the things that you want in a home that make it work, indoor outdoor flow, are here, along with a beautiful section. And I know that most people in the affordable category would say these are the houses to buy and these are the locations to enjoy from a family perspective and a neighbourly perspective. So let's have a little wander through. I know you'll really like the way this house works. Well, I'm just coming from the outside in. Gorgeous lounge, nice and spacious, very formal to a point, and through to the dining and of course the kitchen area, which is the focal part of most homes. North facing sun, a nice streetscape in my view, which is lovely, but more importantly, it's for sale, needs to be sold, and on the 5th of March we have an auction. Call Michelle or myself, we'd love to show you through.